Hey guys, it's Iggy. Welcome back. I am so excited to see your guys' gorgeous faces again. Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to be doing a full face of our top rated products. So if you guys want to see what products I made it in today's video and that are absolutely one of my few favorites, just stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so the first product I'm going to go in with first is our Drink of H2 Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. What I love about this moisturizer is that it hydrates and it gives such a nice healthy glow. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. It just really leaves my skin feeling super moisturized, prepped, and ready for the day. And not only that, but when I do makeup application, I just know that my skin is not going to cake or crack because it is super moisturized and hydrated. Next up is our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation SPF 15. I absolutely love this stuff and I feel like it's super iconic and you cannot go wrong with this. You're gonna get full coverage. It's also got Amazonian clay in here, so you're gonna get that 12-hour power and it's gonna last all day. So next up is our Shape Tape Contour Concealer. This stuff, you guys know, is absolutely amazing, and if you have not tried it, so you need to jump on the bandwagon absolutely right away, because this stuff is not only super full coverage, but it leaves your skin looking super flawless and matte all day long. And let me tell you guys, I've worn this just by itself and absolutely love this formula. You cannot go wrong with Shape Tape. So to add more dimension and warmth to the face, I'm going to go ahead and apply some Amazonian Clay Matte's Waterproof Bronzer, and this is in Parka Princess. Next up is our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this is in the shade Captivating. This is one of my all-time favorite shades of all time of our blushes. Guys, moving on to the eyes now, I'm going to go ahead and use our Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be taking that first shade called Charmer, and I'm going to place this underneath the brow bone. Next, I'm going to take that shade Sweetheart here, and I'm just going to take my brush and just tap it on in there, and I'm actually going to apply this all over the eyelid into the crease. Not only do I love the Amazonian Clay formula of these eyeshadows, but I also just really overall love the palette itself because you get so many different looks with it. So you guys can do something from a simple daytime look to a nighttime look. And as you guys can see, I do use this quite often. It's quite a mess actually, so it's a little embarrassing, but that tells you how much I actually really love this palette, and I really genuinely do. It's just perfect for every day. Next is my pinky finger. I'm going to go ahead and swirl my finger into Funny Girl, and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and apply a few light coats of our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and then I'm going to do a wing liner using our Tarte Double Take eyeliner. Next up is our C Color Splash lipstick, and this is in the shade Sunkissed. Alright guys, thank you so much for following along with today's video on using a full face of our top rated products. If you guys want to try out any of these products that I used in today's video, I will leave a link in the description box for any of the products that I used down below. Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to comment down below what videos and tutorials you guys want to see next. Alright guys, thank you again so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.